getting involved in the Bitcoin world can make for a very lucrative business. For most people, buying Bitcoin remains a key problem, and they will often rely on friends or family to help them out. This allows for some passive income by buying and selling Bitcoin. However, some people are earning as much as 20% markup by using exchanges and Local.Bitcoins to automate most of the business. One Local.Bitcoins user pointed out how he is making as much as 20% profit on some Bitcoin trades. Buying cryptocurrency off exchanges at market prices and reselling them on Local.Bitcoins at a premium is not a new business model by any means. There is a good reason why Local.Bitcoins is subject to premium prices, as it removes the friction of dealing with exchanges. Some of you may be wondering why people would pay higher Bitcoin prices to obtain cryptocurrency. There are various possible reasons, ranging from not having to deal with exchanges in the first place to remaining somewhat anonymous. Not everyone wants to go through verification procedure or deal with a delay of several days between buying and receiving Bitcoin. Since sellers can set their own prices for Bitcoin, there is some good money to be made. Another reason to buy at a premium is that the rate is set immediately, even if the payment method used takes several days. That allows to lock in an exchange rate, even in the case of an expected rise. Note: margins for low-risk payment methods like bank transfers are low, usually around 3 to 7%. In countries where instant bank transfers exist, this method is even more attractive. So if you want to make some money through Local.Bitcoins, click the link below and sign up.